Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. This is Stocktober, where we're preparing to stock our pantry for the winter. Okay, these, I'm going to just make sure there's no rocks or broken beans. Save your seasonings to the side, and I'm going to do 2 packs of these beans, and I'm going to soak them. We're going to do them overnight, but if you don't have time for overnight, just put water in there, about 12 cups of water per bag, and cook them a half an hour, and then leave them set about 2, and then drain the water off. Okay, we are rinsing our beans. First, dump them and rinse. Try not to dump them in the sink. That I'm videotaping. What you do is, in the things that floats to the top, the beans and stuff that's broken, you skim off the top.
Oh, you need the tomatoes.
Because you got pieces of beans, you can skim those off the top.
Tablespoons of pepper ready.
Okay, how much celery and onions?
I don't know if that's 2 things of celery. I mean, about 3 stalks, almost, no, 2.5 stalks of celery, and the onion is 2 onions, small onions. Did you get your kosher salt?
No.
Are we putting in
16 ounces of tomatoes.
Oh, I got to dice him up.
Okay, we're going to add 4 bay leaves, which mine's pretty cracked up. I got some chunky ones. And it said black pepper, 4 tablespoons. You can add a ham bone to this. I don't have one, so we're going to just add some ham. Which at the store yesterday, we found a really good deal on boneless ham. Small boneless ham, so Dad's over there chopping it. He's working real hard.
I got some more. I'm going to add this.
And we're going to add this to our soup. We got to leave this cook on low for about an hour and a half, and then we'll can it. You can add salt to this. I don't, because we have that ham, and I try to watch the salt intake. Since we're doubling the recipe, it's about 8 cups of ham he's going to add to the mix. Okay, here's our soup. And Thad did find a ham bone out in the freezer. And it's been cooking with that ham bone. So now we're going to fill our jars. Make sure to have your debubbler in there, and this is a jar filler. And then we'll just wipe the tops. Okay, we're gonna wipe our top. And I could add just a little bit more. Add your ring, make it finger tight, and we're going to do that 7 times. Here is our bean soup. We have some still in the canner, but this is our bean soup that we just got out of the canner after 90 minutes at 10 pounds pressure. You can see it's absolutely ready to just dump out and eat.